Welcome to BPO Summit 2015 event highlights. The summit arrangement started with signing of the agreement with Bangladesh ICT Division on September 2015. Right after the agreement, a steering committee for summit has been selected with members from both ICT Division and BACO. After forming the standing committee, MOU has been signed with different partners to arrange the event successfully. With campus activation program, the event was started when 14 universities have been covered with more than 7,000 attendees. The male-female ratio is 60 and 40%, where almost 15,000 CVs has been collected. Among them, 239 students have been recruited. There are 9 BPO organizations where the recruitment has been taken places. They are Digicon, SSL, Virgo, ISSL, My Outsourcing, FIFOTech and Genex. Some glimpse of the spirit.
একজন শিক্ষার্থী হিসেবে কোনো একটি প্রতিষ্ঠানে চাকরি করতে পারা অনেক বড় একটি বিষয়। বিপিও সামিটকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ আমাকে এরকম একটা সুযোগ করে দেওয়ার জন্য।
During the event, the recruitment partner was Bigroy.com and IT partner was Amra. The event was sponsored by ADN Group, Zenex, Summit, Cisco, NRBC Bank, Bangladesh High Tech Park Authority, Airtel, Teletalk, Amra and Fiber at Home. The website of BPO Summit got 11,500 hits from more than 60 countries with a social media reach of 2.6 million in Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. The event was covered by all daily newspapers. And a talk show with a few featured program has been arranged by 8 top TV channels of the country, along with a radio program in 2 popular FM radio stations. More than 25 billboards were set up around the city to reach the audience. Mr. Shojib Wazir Joy, ICT advisor of the Honorable Prime Minister, has inaugurated the summit on 9th December.
আজ আমাদের আউটসোর্সিং এর বিপিও সেক্টরের আয় হচ্ছে $100 মিলিয়ন। আগামীতে এটা $1 বিলিয়ন ক্রস করবে।
There were 13 seminars, more than 70 speakers and 6,000 registration, where 3,000 audience have attended the seminar. Some glimpse of the spirit. Many well-known speakers were available during the summit. International speakers from 11 countries has also participated in the event. During the closing ceremony, Mr. A.H.M. Mustafa Kamal, Honorable Minister of Planning, had the closing speech of BPO Summit 2015. That's not the end. After BPO Summit, Disabled Recruitment Program has been launched and total 20 disabled persons have been recruited in different BPO sectors.
শারীরিক প্রতিবন্ধী থাকা সত্ত্বেও আমি যে এখানে বেশি সমস্যাদের সঙ্গে বেশি মিলেমিশে কাজ করতে পারছি, এটা আমাকে অনেক বড় বেশি অনুপ্রেরণাদায়ক। আর ধন্যবাদ বাকু এবং বিপিও ইন্ডাস্ট্রিকে আমাকে মানে সুযোগ করে দেওয়ার জন্য।
In 2016, the executive body of BACO has participated in IndiaSoft 2016 and NASSCOM 2016, which was held in Mumbai, India.